faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play.
We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left.
Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright.
We could rebuild it. Yay!
One little dino proud and glad. His birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan.
Maybe hide it?
No, let's clean up.
Good idea.
What's that glowing?
Quack, 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 what's that glow? Magic book is here, let's go. Let us jump out, oh no, no, no. Let's find them, ready, go. All let us run away. A to Z, don't stay. Oh no, what do we see? Let us run away from me. Duck cries, come back, please. Cow says, let's search trees. Don't worry, duck, we will try. Find them low and find them high. Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look behind the apple tree. Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look inside the barn for you. Look inside the barn for you. Weaveray, Weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Mercy, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? There, look near the pond so blue. Mercy, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in the grassy field too. Oh no! Liberty, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Wow! Merriff, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Should look behind the farm gate too. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo.
Not yet.
Merriff, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in the cornfield too. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Merriff, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look behind the kitty. Ooh. Where are you? Look here, there, what do you do? Look in muddy farm shoes. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. Peek-a-boo. Where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look behind the leafy view. Where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in muddy farm shoe. Better are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo.
Great job, partner.
Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in the sunflower Better are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo.
Oh no!
Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in muddy farm bed too. Better are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look inside chicken coop too. Here I am, peek-a-boo. Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in brighter shuckin'
The letters are coming to life.
They're gathering around us.
Better are you?
What a
Here I
happy
am,
alphabet
peek-a-boo.
Oh no!
What do you do? Look in the honey, find it too.
Friend, it's a beautiful day.
Wow!
Here I am, peek-a-boo. Better are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look at the corn, feet fine too. Better are you? Here I am, Ooh, splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today. In the ocean, school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands
Oh,
are
no.
causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No playing
no.
happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my.
Follow me to the
Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Jump and loud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly. Oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. She walked and walked on her tiny feet. Met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, come climb with me. But Ellie said,
Oh no.
I want my mommy. Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, don't worry, we'll fly right. Giraffe stretched tall and looked a wild. Pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie find the way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud. Ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay. Never goes far when she wants to play. Holds mommy's tail tight every day.